If you are someone who shops a lot like me, this video is for you.
If I talk about my earnings, so here is the screenshot.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you have landed here by seeing thumbnail or this video popped up in your feed while searching Myntra Glam Clam, you have clicked on the right video. If you want to make money while shopping, girl, you can do it. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to do that and how much I have made already and what are the steps. I'll tell you all. Just sit and watch. So go on Myntra app, click on the profile section and you will find a Myntra Glam Clam new feature. There would be a new feature. In the bottom of the phone, there will be a navbar where you need to click on the post. You will see the list of products you have already purchased. Select any product, click the pictures, or if you have already clicked, select them from your gallery and then post it. Now what will happen after posting? As you can see, it will go under review. So once the products are reviewed, they will either be rejected or approved. मैंने कुछ 10 प्रोडक्ट्स पोस्ट किए थे, उसमें से 9 अप्रूव हो गए हैं. हियर इज द स्क्रीनशॉट. मतलब वंस दे आर अप्रूव्ड, डू यू मेक मनी? No, that's not how it works. So what will happen? This program is basically, now if your 3 posts are verified, approved, then now you can share your link with any of your friends and family and you will get 8% of that product. This is for the first level, right? There are 3 levels: expert, leader, and so for the first level you will get the 8%. After that will be 10%, then there will be 12%. So after 3 पोस्ट अप्रूव होना इज लाइक, मेरे तो बहुत ही जल्दी हो गए थे. मैंने तो एक ही दिन में लगातार बहुत सारे डाल दिए थे एंड आई हैव गॉट अराउंड 16,000 व्यूज एज वेल. Once you complete your 50,000 views, you will get 12% commission for every product. ये बड़ी बात नहीं है, पता है बड़ी बात क्या है? What products you can share. It's not only what you have purchased, any product. So any of your friends and family want to buy anything from Myntra, like we generally do, you just have to share them your link and you will get the 8%. That's amazing. It's not only product you have bought, any product on Myntra. So if I talk about post, and currently I have 3 more which are under review, जो मैंने आज ही ऐड किए हैं इस वीडियो के लिए. एंड कुछ ही दिनों में I have got 16,000 views, so it will soon be 50,000 as well. उसके बाद क्या होता है, I'll share that as well. अभी मेरा अर्निंग के सेक्शन में दिखा रहा है 100 rupees. There would be some questions, where will you get the money, is in Myntra account, in your bank account. So once your total earning would be 500 or more, then they will ask you for your KYC. KYC is know your customer. They will ask you for your bank verification, your bank details, and once the process is done, the amount will be transferred in your bank account. It's that simple. It's not only limited to this affiliate of link based. It will also give you more access to Myntra workshops, Myntra events, and you don't know what opportunity you might get. So let me know if you have any doubt. Comment your question, I'll answer you. And if you do shop, it will take nothing. Go post your purchased on Myntra Glam Clam and make your money. Okay, bye. मैंने इतनी मेहनत की है, इतना सेटअप किया है, ये सब पोस्ट किया है, एडिट करूँगी इसको. सो तुमको सिर्फ एक काम करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना. सो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. ओके, बाय.